morning. Today we're doing Seat TARRACO 2019 4-wheel drive, and the common problem of this one, the customer is complaining 135 gear have a problem, and when we try to diagnose it, and that is, you can see here, we diagnose the car. This is 2019 Seat TARRACO, and this one is the problem is coming on there. Here you can see P173500 position sensor for clutch 1 electrical malfunction. That's the code was coming in the history because we done that car, and after that I am making the movie. So if you can go in a transmission, I am going to show you quick, have a look which type of this transmission is on there. I think it was OGC. That is a gearbox, but I'm going to check in the ID, and then you can see what code is coming on there. That's the common problem. Sometimes the pressure sensor number 2, and sometimes the pressure sensor number 1. So that's the common problem. If the number 1 then is shifting 137 have a problem, and if it's clutch number 2, pressure sensor number 2, you can see here, this is the OGC gearbox. You can see here hardware number is OGC 9. This is DQ381. So this is the common problem. And if the pressure sensor 2 coming, then is not going in a reverse, then switch it off, switch it on, and then is go to in a reverse, and that's the common problem. And now if you can see, we have to diagnose it, and then you can see no code coming on there because it's done, the job is done. So basically the problem is in the mechatronic unit. We have to recondition the mechatronic unit, and when we're gonna replace the both sensor and adaptation learning, touch point adaptation, and gearbox oil filter change. A car will be ready like 3 to 4 hours. This come with the warranty job. So if you have the problem of like that, you can contact with me. We are in Hounslow, and my name is Terry, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and my phone number is 07402536382. And that's when this sign is coming on, and the engine light will come on as well. But this is fine now at the moment because the ignition is on. When you try to start, then this part back, no problem. You can see here everything is going reverse, forward, neutral, sports mode, everything is fine. So if you have any problem like that, you can contact me anytime on WhatsApp and Facebook, or you can text me on a message. So we are in Hounslow. Our company is Hounslow Motor Limited. You can see the review, and the postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow, and you can contact any time, and we can book it and we'll do it straight away. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.